Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are reviewing one of the best app for setting up your background as moving videos. So there is an app called Portal where you can set the video background, scenic video background into your macOS. So if I go into App Store, basically you can find this app with the name of Portal. If I type, so this is the app. So yeah, I have the purchase version of this app, and once you click on this, you can see all the things like how you can set up all the cool scenic backgrounds, and it can also give you a video haptic for your backgrounds. Like if I open Portal here, if I open this one, you can see like I can set any video background from here, for example this one. So you can see it sets in the background, water is moving, everything is flowing smoothly, and you are in another escape or another focus mode. So basically you can also set the different audios as well. So if you click on the audio, and the lighting will set in the background for this one. So that is also a cool way of doing this. So there are so many backgrounds for this one, very nice flowing images, and just amazing basically. So if I go down and check the App Store, you can see it's showing us effortless focus. You can set instant relaxation, breathtaking visuals, lifelike spatial audio, as well as evidence-based design. So this is Portal basically in a nutshell. So please like my video and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.